Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about this formula in here. That's about cosh s squared minus sinh s squared equals to number 1. So we put this one go to the right, number 1 will go to the left, and you go about cosh s squared minus 1 equal to sinh s squared. So we put this one to replace this one in here. So 6 minus 1, you got about positive number 5. Next, this one multiplied by this one, you will got about 2022. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosh s squared. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to sinh s cosh s ds, and we know that sinh s cosh s, that's about sinh2x. This one we change for u, sinh2x ds we change for du. And this one we can write into u to the power of 5 to the power of negative 2022 du. And this one we got the final answer. So this one you got about negative 2021. This one we got about negative 2021. About u, that's about cosh s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.